Hello everyone, welcome to JAR channel. Angel is going to share with you what to cook for tomorrow, and me, Roger, will be your voice guiding. Today we're going to share with you another Korean side dish, braised lotus root. Hope you like it too. You can get the detailed ingredients at the end of this video. First, peel and slice lotus roots into a 1/4 inch thick. The thickness depends on your will, but we'll recommend it to be not too thin, since while braising, it will be easily broken if it is too thin. After slicing, clean thoroughly. Use a brush to clean all the soil in the holes of the lotus root. After washing and soaking, prepare a bowl of water. After water has boiled, add some vinegar. Place the lotus root in the pot and boil for 5 minutes. Using vinegar while boiling helps make the lotus root more white and crunchy. We'll drain lotus root after 5 minutes. After draining, clean the lotus root under water. For another pan, once it heats, add some oil. Then gently fry the lotus root until translucent. And then we'll add some more oil before frying the other ingredients. After adding the garlic, stir fry. Then dark soy sauce and water. Cover the lid until water has boiled and then mix well. Turn to low heat and simmer for 40 minutes. After 40 minutes, add the corn syrup or sugar. Don't cover the lid and let it boil for another 10 to 15 minutes. When you see the sauce has evaporated and thickened, add some sesame oil and sesame seed. Then the dish is done after your taste test. This side dish is best served when cool, and you can store it in the fridge for a week. Hope you liked this Korean side dish, braised lotus root today. We'll share some more dishes. If you like today's dish, please like, share, and subscribe our channel. Don't forget to click the bell next to it, and you'll receive our next video at once. Thank you once again for watching this video. We'll share with you next time what to cook for tomorrow. See ya!